Hey guys, and welcome back to another video of Spark Plug. So in this video tutorial, I will be showing you how to make these beautiful wheels in Fusion 360. So hope you guys will enjoy the video. But before that, let me make one thing clear, that all the dimension has been assumed and this is just for a practice exercise. And one thing that I have downloaded, and you can download any logo from the Google, but just by typing bmw.png logo or Lamborghini logo.png in PNG format. So let's get started. Click on front plane and create an sketch. Switch on the construction mode from sketch platelets and draw one vertical construction line of 260 mm length like this. Now press L, switch off the construction mode and draw one line, vertical line like this, and from this point another one like this. So draw this structure, press L for line, press D for dimension and make this dimension as 4 mm. This angle is going to be 60 degree. From this point to this point, this dimension is going to be 12. From this point to this point, this dimension again is going to be 12. This is going to be 20. This angle, just delete this, press D again. This angle is going to be 120. This dimension is going to be 8. Now switch on the construction mode. Draw one line horizontal from the topmost point of distance 250 like this. Again another one from this point up to the same distance, and again the last one like this. Press L again, switch off the construction mode, draw, just make this similar profile like we did here. Join this and this. Press D for dimension and give this a 120 mm, and from this point to this point make it 60 like this, and you are good to go. Nothing to be made now, just you can finish the sketch. Now we have a profile to revolve. Go to surface, go to revolve, select this profile and the axis would be your axis. Click on new body and press OK. Now go to create, go to thicken. It is in the surface, so I am going to make it a solid body. So select all the face by dragging it and click on new operation as new component, and the thickness would be inside and the thickness dimension is going to be 3 mm and press OK. Now we have a solid body here. Now go to create a sketch, and on the front plane we will start by making some sketches. So don't forget to press shift and N to enable the automatic color. Now for the next step, click on line and from origin draw one vertical and one horizontal construction line right from origin like this. Now press P for project and select this face and click on body. Now just hide the component. L for line, join these two, just switch off the construction, join two line. I'm going to work on this profile. Oh no. Okay, just cancel it. Press L again, make a line from this point to this point, offset it inwards up to a distance of -3 like this. Beautiful. Now here just hide the component for now. I'm going to make some sketch. So start by making a rectangle like this without having any dimension. Press D for dimension, and from this point to this point give this a dimension of 15. From origin to this point make this 15 as well. This is going to be press D again, and from this point to this point this is going to be 70, and from this point to this point this is again going to be 70. this will be 20 mm, and from this point to this point this height is going to be 50. Now once done, all the sketch had been constrained. What I'm going to do, go to fit point spline, select this offset line of this point and join it like this, and repeat the same step for this point and join it with this and press OK. Now just bring back the body. Now what I'm going to do is, this is the control point. Just bring back the bodies, so you can just control the tangency of the spline from this point, as you guys can see. So for now, press D again, select on this point of course and press D again and make this aligned dimension as 50 mm, and the angle from vertical, if I just zoom it out, this is going to be 8 degrees. So we have a constraint profile here. Now for this also, just drag it like this, press D again, and the aligned dimension is going to be 45, and the vertical angle from the vertical profile is going to be 5 degrees. Now once done, you don't need to change the tangency of this profile. This is sufficient. Now we have a closed sketch here. Now if I just finish the sketch and go to revolve, select all these profiles that we have just created, and this is going to be our new body. So the axis would be the center one. Make sure it's in the new body, not in the existing component. So we have a one body here and another body here. You can just move it like this also. So revert back. Now click on create sketch, and on this front plane we will start by creating another sketches. So press P for project and project this inner circle like this. Now you may hide both of these body as we don't need it right now. So press C again and make a circle of 140 mm diameter, and from this point draw a sketch like this without any dimension. Press D, press L again and draw one vertical line like this. Press D, and from this point to this point make it a distance of 10 mm. From this point to this vertical line, this is dimension is going to be 20 mm, and from this point to this point this dimension is going to be 90 mm. So we have a beautiful sketch here. Now what I'm going to do is go to offset, select this line, uncheck the chain selection and offset it up to a distance of 10 mm like this. Now fillet this line up to the arc of 15. Now select this line. Now select all these 4 lines and go to mirror and select the vertical plane as mirror line and press OK. Now fillet again, select this line and this line and make a fillet of 15 again. Now we have a closed sketch here. Now again select all these sketches, all these inner profiles that we have created. Now go to create, go to circular pattern. The center point is going to be this, that quantity is going to be 7 and press OK. Now finish the sketch. Now just bring back the second body that we have created using revolve. Come on, not the first one. Not the first one, just bring back the first body only. Now go to create, go to extrude, select this profile and this profile and make a extrude cut through them and press OK. OK, just edit the profile and make it symmetry so that it both get cuts equally. Now again go to circular pattern, go to features, select the type as feature, select this extrude cut and the axis is going to be center axis. this dimension is going to be circular pattern is going to be 7 mm, and we have a sketch here. Now go to modify, go to simplify, go to remove features. Okay, go to modify, go to simplify, remove faces, select this face and just delete it for now. Now what I'm going to do is select fillet and select all these edges that requires fillet. So you guys can select that all the edges that require fillet and give a radius of 2 mm and wait for your system to respond accordingly. So basically this is just to make the curve edges more smooth. So you guys can check that out also. So this is how this will look like. Now again go to insert, go to decals, and from my computer I have downloaded this Lamborghini logo. It will ask you about the face, so I'm going to select this face. Now go to front view and I just have to align this according to the size. So you it is the one of the simplest thing that you can do, and press OK. So we have a Lamborghini logo on the face. Now you guys can just bring back the body, and there are two options. Basically you can keep this in two separate body, or you can just click on combine tool and make them into a single individual body. For coloring purpose and giving easier appearance, I prefer not to make them in a single body. So I prefer to leave it like this only. So hope you guys will enjoy. If you guys want more radius, then you can create radius anywhere you want. And as per this hole are concerned, these are just countersunk hole or counter bores, so you guys can easily do that. So hope you guys will enjoy. I have also made some chamfer here, so I think you guys can check that out. So hope you guys will enjoy. Don't forget to share and subscribe. Thank you and have a nice day.